Hello viewers, we'll be going over silver futures. In this video we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis. On Friday, closed down 1.6% on the 1-hour chart. We are still in positive MACD, however we're since now approached to negative territory, and we did breach above the 200 moving average, this green line, so that'll act as our temporary support if we do manage to reverse down lower. And that support is at the price of $23.59. If we expand out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain on positive MACD, and we also see the same action here. We did breach above the 50 moving average, this yellow line, and that would also act as our support to the downside. And that is at $23.51. For the daily chart, what we have here is we approach the negative MACD, and we're off of oversold conditions on the RSI. And for the support, we are still using the 100-day moving average as our support, as indicated back in September 24th, and that is around the price of $22.41. On the other hand, if we do manage to reverse higher, the next resistance will be the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, at the price of $26.23. as that coincides with past support levels that dated back to August 14th, and since we're below support, that now act as our resistance to the upside. So that price movement to the upside to hit resistance is roughly around 9.7%, and to the downside, that price movement is roughly around 5.8%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $21.32, which is this range right here that coincides with past resistance levels back in July 23rd. And since we're above resistance, that now act as our support. And my sell target for it will be $22.74, and my stop loss will be $20.73. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $22.94, and that is this range right there. My sell target for it will be $21.93, and my stop loss will be $23.57. So whichever prices hit my entries first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 58% chance for silver to climb between 0 to 3.6%, and a 17% chance to climb between 3.7% to 7%. And to the downside, we have a 25% chance for silver to fall between 0 to negative 3.7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.